Hi guys, today I'm making Korean purple rice. It's traditionally made with a small portion of black rice mixed with the usual medium grain white rice, but I put a little twist to it. Green lentil is added. We need 3 tablespoons of black rice. Okay, so 3. And then 1/4 cup of green lentils. 1.5 cup of, this is a medium grain white rice. 1.5 cup. Okay, first off, let's wash the black rice. Okay, and then we will soak this rice in water. Any amount of water is fine because we're going to discard the water later. I'll explain why. Timer has set for 1.5 hours. And I soaked this rice earlier before filming, and then it's been soaking for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. And then I want to show you this. Like, look at this beautiful Pinot Noir look-alike water. This water has all the wonderful antioxidants that black rice has. Did you know that black rice has more antioxidants than blueberries? Wow. But some rice, like black rice and brown rice, have arsenic, which is found in the outer husk of rice. So here is the catch-22 situation. I want all the antioxidant benefits from this beautifully tinted water, but at the same time I'm a little wary of cooking with the arsenic infused water. So what I do is I soak and discard the water collected from first soaking, and then use the water collected from the second soaking. That's what I do. I will discard this water. And then now soak for half an hour with 2 cups of water. I want to be precise this time because 2 cups water, all of it will be used for cooking the rice. And then at the same time, we're going to wash the green lentils, and this will be soaked along with the black rice for half an hour. Red lentils is not recommended. I've tried it, but it doesn't give you a good texture. Lentils really don't expand as much as other beans, so you don't have to soak in really big bowl with lots of water. This will be enough. So I'm going to set the timer for half an hour, 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes have passed. This is a lentil that has been soaking for 30 minutes. So we don't need this water. Set that aside. Now I'm going to wash the 1.5 cups of medium grain white rice. Okay. Rinse off the rice twice, because even though you're washing rice, you want to wash in clean water. Gentle pressure not to break the rice grains. So I'll say wash the rice maybe like 30 seconds or so, and then rinse 5 times. Okay. And then the lentil, I'm going to mix all up. Okay, so let me show you. The black rice has been soaking along with the lentil for half an hour as well. So we're going to use up all the water in this cup. So now let's cook the rice. I'm going to cook in this pot. And then the black rice with 2 cups of water all goes in. Okay, so to recap, black rice needs 2 hours of soaking, and the green lentils need half an hour of soaking, and white rice doesn't need any soaking at all. Okay, so I am cooking the rice on the small burner right there, and I'm going to close the lid. We're going to bring it to a full boil. Okay, I want to check. Not yet, not quite yet. This is a full boil. Never open the lid during rice cooking is a fallacy. It is actually better to open the lid and stir well. Doing this airs out the old stale air trapped in the rice packaging, because most of us consume rice that has been harvested and packaged some time ago, meaning old stale air trapped together with the rice in the packaging. I'm going to close the lid and then bring the heat down to medium and set the timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. So now we are going to reduce the heat to low and set the timer for 10 minutes again. Mine is 1 notch above the simmer. So the lowest setting right above the simmer, that's where you want to be at. 10 minutes have passed. I'm going to turn off the heat. Ta-da! It's ready. We're going to stir the rice from the bottom and to the top. The reason we do this is because rice on the bottom of the pot is more cooked than the rice on top, so we would like to have the rice cook evenly. That's why we do this. Okay, so I'm going to close the lid and let the rice rest for 5 minutes. Okay, so it has been resting for 5 minutes, and I want to give it a little taste. It smells good already. Do you know that the black rice adds this nutty flavor? Very delicious, and it has the chewy texture in a good way. And then lentil is almost al dente, so it adds another dimension to rice. So this is a good recipe. I hope you give it a try. Okay, so the rice is perfectly cooked. In order to know it is really perfectly cooked, I want to do a little taste with this. So here is my kale. That's my sam with the samjang right there. And I'm gonna put a little bit of rice, a bit more. Then wrap it. Very delicious. Please give this a try. I want to show you something. What I'm trying to do is, this is how people served rice in the old days. I mean, nobody eats rice like this anymore, but when you serve rice like this, it actually does have special meanings. Rice was such a valuable crop, and they considered rice even sacred. So when you serve rice like this, when a guest arrives, it means adoration, a warm welcome, and good health. I just wanted to share this beautiful Korean tradition with you guys. If you want to read more about arsenic in rice, I will link an article by Cleveland Clinic in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.